Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to efficiently correct imported drawings in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started.
Click to import 2D drawing.
After the drawings are loaded successfully, click the Pre-Import Processing button. It can remove watermails, backgrounds, wrinkles, and fixing perspective distortion with one click. Processing will start automatically after clicking. Wait for the processing to complete. On the left side is the original image before processing, and on the right side is the processed image. Both images can be zoomed in or out with the mouse wheel and moved with the mouse scroll button. Then select the image you want to use. When choosing Before button, the unprocessed floor plan image will be utilized. When choosing After button, the processed floor plan image will be applied. Move the scale to the wall and enter the actual length. Click Import at the bottom right corner. Wait for a moment, and the floor plan will be successfully generated. That's all. Thanks for watching.